step number one.
See, okay, there's proof that I'm not a tall person.
Just stand close to the camera like this, so your head's always cut off. So at least that way you look tall. Hey guys.
Hey guys, this is Nicole Wong.
You put like the screaming in the background, like. And then the next shot is.
He has no idea what we're doing in this video.
No.
But we're gonna teach them how to pose to look taller in photos.
Another top tip is just lower your octave in your voice to make yourself look taller. If I said, hey guys, you'd be like, oh my gosh, she's dead short. I'd be like, hey guys. You'd be like, fucking tall.
So the first actual tip is you want to take your camera or your phone, whatever you're going to use, and you want to make sure that the camera is lower than your eye line. So you can see here that the camera is lower than my eye line, and the lower you put your camera, the taller you're going to look. So in this clip, I lowered the camera even more to where my hips are, and this is going to make you look taller. So if you're using a tripod or a human tripod, you have to make sure that it's lower than your eye line.
Hey mom.
Actually, you can get this tripod in the description box.
Let me be the good looking, the assistant. When you point at it and I'll do the thing.
So this tripod you can get on Amazon, and I'll link it in the description box. It's only like 30 bucks. I always travel with it. It's super portable, super light, super compactable. Has a lot of durability for idiots.
What do you mean? Really, bro?
So after you set your camera on your tripod, you want to make sure that the camera is pointing upwards. So over here, right now, the camera is pointing down, but you want to tilt your camera back so that the camera is pointing upwards, and this will make you look taller. If you have a human tripod, yeah, you gotta make them squat, but not too low because you don't want like a double chin action. Yeah, that's like the perfect form.
Wow.
Either one of these.
You look so tall.
Or like one of these. Or like you can do the Matrix.
if you could do the Matrix.
So after you get your camera angle set up, we're gonna go into like posing tips to make you look taller.
Number one,
so the first,
arms up all the time.
That is a tip!
Really?
That is a tip! See, you're so good at it! The reason why you want to put your arms above your head is because it gives the illusion of elongating your body, thus making you look taller. It also helps to open up your body so that you're not slouching. Like this, or some girls do like that. Or one hand.
Usually, yes, as a model.
There's this one.
Kick me into shape. Kick me into shape.
Damn.
Try to look taller. Oh, and then if you want to add a little bit of extra height.
Yes! How do you know?
It's a quick tip, you know. Grab a block, stand on it. Oh, look how tall! Look how tall I am. Take another tip as well. Just make sure you've got lots of really short friends. Make sure you're around the dwarf society. You stand next to them and you're gonna look like a tall guy. Give me one of those hip things.
So rather than have your leg out to the side, you want to point your leg towards the camera and point your toes. Anything that's closer to the camera lens is going to look bigger, so when you point your leg towards the camera, it will elongate your legs and elongate your body. And point your toe.
Yeah.
That elongates your body.
Okay, yeah, look at me. See, look, ready? 5'8", 5'10".
And then 5'12".
5'12".
We're gonna show you how to pose in a chair. Oh.
Where's it gonna go? Where's it going? And then click again, I'll be sitting. What just happened?
Whoa, where did he come from? So you never want to close your body. You want to make sure your body's open on the chair.
I will do everything you tell me, word for word. You just tell me what to do.
And there you go. Elongating his body. And I'll just sit properly. He looks short. He looks like 4'7".
I feel 4'7" as well. Wait for it. 5'9".
So the last tip to look taller in photos is to use the wide angle camera. So you can click 0.5 on your camera settings, and this will give sort of a fisheye effect. So anything that's close to the camera will look longer, and so therefore if you point your legs towards the camera, your legs will look a lot longer.
Somebody take a picture. Sorry, let me send this to my mom.
Hey mom, I got this.